Cresswell, that's a decent ball. Lanzini. De Gea is beaten, and West Ham snatch the lead. Diafra Sako spun and hit. It's a good thing Upton Park doesn't need its roof after this. It's what they came for.
Oh, it's an excellent finish. Brilliant movement from Lanzini initially.
Bonner on his heels, Mata wide of him, it's Juan Mata. Macial scores from unmissable range. And Manchester United have parity, they want more than that. Look at the urgent response.
Well, that's come from nothing.
Brilliant, plainly into the wall. Payet again, Antonio!